How to share your profile on Quora to Facebook Messenger easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your profile on Quora to Facebook Messenger in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Quora. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture and click again on your profile picture so you can go to your profile. And here you go. Now this is my profile as you can see, and all what you have to do to share your profile to Facebook Messenger is by clicking here on this option. Click on this option and now you will find Facebook Messenger icon right here. Click on it and then choose the person that you want to share your profile with and click send. Everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.